So here we're given the Lorenz curve for a particular economy, and we're asked to find the Gini index and some more information. Again, here's a graph of y equals x to the 4.5, and again, the Gini index is double the area between y equals x and that curve. So we have to find the yellow area and double that. Of course, to do that, we'd integrate from 0 to 1, top curve minus bottom. Here are the particulars on the integration. You can pause if you want to see those in more detail. And what that tells us is that the Gini index is going to be 2 times this area, or about 0.624. Now remember, the Gini index is a scale from 0 to 1 measuring inequality, with 1 being the most inequality. So this is a pretty high number, and you won't find many societies with a Gini index this high in real life. Second question asks, what percentage of the income is generated by the bottom 40%? Well, to find that, I just have to plug 40% in for x into the Lorenz curve, and that tells me that the bottom 40% of earners generated about 1.5% of the income. The last question is, what percentage of income is generated by the top 20%? Well, the Lorenz curve doesn't do calculations for the top anything. It only does calculations for the bottom. But if I want to know something about the top 20%, I have to use the Lorenz curve to compute the income generated by the bottom 80%, which is everybody who isn't in the top 20. Plugging in 80% to the Lorenz equation gives me 36%, and that tells me that the bottom 80% generate 36% of the income. Therefore, the top 20% generate the rest of it, or 64% of the income.